massive transformation is underway in Northeast Louisiana. Metis, the company behind Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp, is building its largest data center in the world right here in Richland Parish. A $10 billion investment, 4 million square feet of AI-optimized infrastructure, and what some are calling a new chapter for the state. But let's take a closer look. Because while this project brings promise, it also comes with trade-offs that every Louisianan should understand. Let's talk about the jobs. Meta says it will create 5,000 construction jobs during the build, 500 high-wage permanent jobs in IT and data center operations, and fuel another 1,000-plus indirect jobs across the region. That's real economic development in one of the state's most underserved areas. Now, Entergy's role to power this energy-hungry AI facility. Entergy Louisiana is planning 3 new natural gas plants and a massive grid build-out. That means big infrastructure and big costs. Entergy is asking regulators to approve $5 billion in new energy investments, costs that could be passed on to everyday ratepayers. Here's the big issue. Despite the scale of this investment, Meta won't be paying most Louisiana taxes. Through a series of incentives, Meta is getting a 20-year exemption on sales and use taxes, a 6% rebate on payroll expenses through the Quality Jobs Program, and a reduced corporate income tax right now just 5.5%. Just the sales tax exemption alone is worth around $475 million. Let's pause for a second. That's nearly $500 million the state will not collect. So what could Louisiana do with that money? $475 million could fund 7,000 new teachers for a year, build or renovate 30 public schools, provide universal pre-K to 86,000 children, bridge the digital divide with 790,000 student laptops and hotspots, resurface nearly 950 miles of highway, or subsidize Medicaid for 200,000 residents. These aren't dreams. They're real, tangible improvements Louisiana could make today. Meta says the data center will run on 100% renewable energy. But in reality, most of the power, at least at first, will come from new natural gas plants. Environmental groups are sounding the alarm. More gas, more emissions, and a bigger carbon footprint just to power artificial intelligence. Meta's data center could absolutely spark a tech renaissance in Louisiana. But it comes at a cost. The public is subsidizing a $1 trillion company with money that could otherwise transform classrooms, clinics, roads, and communities. So what can we do? We can ask hard questions, demand transparency from Entergy, and insist that corporate incentives deliver real, measurable returns to the people of Louisiana. Because the future isn't just about data. It's about what we value and who benefits. The future is being built in Louisiana. Let's make sure it works for everyone.